Hey there, savvy investors. Are you ready to dive into the age-old debate, value investing versus growth investing? Grab your coffee and let's get to it. First up, value investing. Think of it like shopping for deals at the stock market garage sale. You're looking for stocks that are undervalued or trading for less than their intrinsic worth. Imagine you find a vintage Rolex for the price of a Timex. Score, right? The king of this strategy? None other than Warren Buffett. He's made billions by picking up these hidden gems and holding on to them for the long haul. So, if you love a good bargain and have patience, value investing might be your jam. Now, let's talk about growth investing. This is like betting on the next big thing. You're looking for companies that are growing fast and have the potential to grow even more. Picture investing in Apple when they first launched the iPhone, or Amazon before it became an e-commerce giant. These stocks might look expensive now, but you're banking on future profits to skyrocket. Think of it as planting a seed and watching it turn into a towering tree. So which one is right for you? Well, it depends on your investment style and risk tolerance. If you prefer steady returns and less volatility, value investing could be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're all about high growth and can stomach the ups and downs, growth investing might be your thing. But hey, why not a mix of both? Diversification is key. By blending value and growth stocks in your portfolio, you can balance risk and reward, giving yourself a smoother ride through the market's roller coaster. Remember, the best strategy is the one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Always do your research, stay informed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And if you ever feel lost, don't hesitate to consult a financial advisor. So, are you a value hunter or a growth chaser? Or maybe a bit of both? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more investing tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those portfolios growing.